Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on.
This is, very kind of you.
That's it. Yes, settle in. Make yourself at home. Oh, hey!
Hey!
Ain't this just about perfect? God, one of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Now look at us. Like a couple of old friends. Ah, it's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixings. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different. That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
But we still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a hog-killing time.
Here, that's for you.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
Oh my God! Sid!
Wasting my time.